Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook mashed potatoes. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video and share it with friends so that they can learn this dish too. We are going to start by peeling your potatoes. Then we are going to wash them. After that, you're going to put in the pan and add water for boiling. And we are going to add salt and boil the potatoes for some time until they are tender or cooked. Then we are going to sieve off the water and we are going to mash our potatoes. I use this sieve to mash my potatoes, but you can use potato masher. After you mash your potatoes and get the smooth that you want, we're going to take, please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share it. And if you have any comment, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Then we're going, after finishing mashing our potatoes, we're going to take another pan and put it in the butter. After the butter is melted, we are going to add onions. That's one onion, and we are going to add garlic. After that, we'll mix them together until they are golden brown, and we're going to add a cup of boiled milk. Then we are going to add in the mashed potatoes. After that, we are going to mix them well so that all the ingredients are combined together. And if you didn't get the thickness you want, then you're going to add milk and continue. After that, you're going to, your potatoes are well and they are very sweet. You can serve it with any dishes or any vegetable. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, to subscribe, and to share it with friends. As you can see, we ate it with vegetables and chicken. Thank you and bye.